Huh? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say, baby? Do you want to walk? Walk. Goom goom. Yeah, walk then. Walk. Yeah, walk. Walk here. Yeah, keep walking, baby. Keep walking. Good girl. Look. Yeah. Say hi, family. Hi. Wave. Hi, family.
Mama, hi.
That's your Nana.
Tin.
Nana. Vale nga makuha. Koe lapo. Mamafa.
Ele lapo kele.
Mamafa.
Why não faz com que saúde? Ela é uma fonga o calfado. E com sale ela é mal ela que eu falei. Nice to meet you, my baby. Tin. Where's your daddy? Take Abby. Huh? Give me Wala si kami sa ukambo. Huwag ko inang wala. Jella. Wala kami kamat. Yan ba?
Where are you going? Mamafa. Leva mga minhas cavalas.
May lang ano ay puwan ng tayo. All ko lang.
Wow, buat kau salfut.
Ya?
Alah mangufik ko.
Ya pa ako ang aja mo. Ya.
Ngala. Kalilin.
Tapi ako pa may kalaki.
Dayo ngay. Ngo maya pe kasi kaya wa kau ngumel ko ba.
Mày in. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Too busy. Kiss Nana.
No. Cable.
Kelani. Where's the other one? Now come.
Oh my goodness.
The eldest grandchild.
Manaya. My goddess. Long time see you. Yeah.
Your twin.
Oh my goodness. Only little.
The youngest grandchild.
Hey, stop it. No. Yeah. Okay. Besar kalian ngambil. Baby, Lani. Mana na? Yeah, happy. Happy. 1 month old. No. 2 months. Oh. Mami, ano lang sa bat? Yes. Finally. Yeah, put my life.
This is my brother's wife. Hey, Mac.
Yes. Hey, say hi.
Just a little one.
Yeah, my he's like that.
Come in. This is Lily. Friends.
Hello.
Come in.
You like Samoa?
Jay.
Hey.
It's been a while.
I know. Hey, hello, Pennies.
It's Auntie Bray.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, there's a mosquito.
Careful.
Okay. How are you?
Hey girl, say hi to Uncle Jay.
Look at you. Look at your beard.
Another one to the day. Yeah, wake up.
Looks exactly like Jay.
Oh, isn't it?
Mini version of Jay. Yeah, when Jay was little.
Oh, it looks exactly.
Hello.
He's how old?
Kyla, look. 2.5. So same age as Kaylani. No. Kaylani.
She's big.
Oh, there's so many.
Yeah. 2? Wow.
Yeah.
Not his, he's naughty. Can you shoot your cousin?
Get away.
You can share the left one. What about more? You share some more? No. Yes. Don't be silly, or I'll take it off you.
Hey, Paula, he's over there running around.
They're at the
Now at the table. Oh, we're at the yeah.
Look at these kids.
I'm gonna put this away now.
Hey.
Kitties. That's my little brother's son. Hey. And this is my older brother's daughter, about the same age. Yeah. They're off to the Airbnb now. I will see them tomorrow. The princess.
The next day.
Good morning. It is day last day here in Samoa. Unfortunately, Samoa is great. I think the service is amazing. I don't know, that's just my experience. But yeah, last day in Samoa. My mom slept with us last night and she enjoyed it. Amira Are you going for breakfast? We love it. The weather today, guys, gloomy. Hi, princess. Yeah. Hi, princess.
Look first
Look at this beautiful. Is it future Miss Samoa, Miss South Pacific? Future Miss Samoa, Miss South Pacific? Ariana, what are you doing? Let's go get breakfast. Baby?
Okay.
So today's breakfast, pretty much the same. Sushi's not good, don't get it. Oh yeah. So, same old sausage, bacon, what is this? Scrambled eggs, stir fry, oatmeal, yum. Baked beans, taro and pancakes, same old. So I'm just gonna have some. Oops. Oh shoot. What are we gonna have for breakfast? Huh? Nina, what do you want for breakfast? Porridge, banana, omelette, and this is what I'm having. I know, guys, don't judge me. I'm having kalo. Kalo in the morning. Nina, look. So we just checked out of Travelsamoa. Now we're going to Sula to get some breakfast for the family at home.
Uy, 20 pesos sa
And the weather still the same when we got here. Kimua, kimua makan. Almele se faham kau.
Hello,
Ela masuk kimua sungi. Baik kawan kimua. This is Sula Supermarket and Bakery. Saya pakai mais skim kalinga sa bahay. Kau mga yaman kau ngit kaso.
The next day,
This bus is going on, I believe, 20. Are you serious? Are you serious? Café feia. Okay, yellow bit.
Wei loa la ave le lua selau. Ai la sasa. Lua selau. Ai ke pala ai. Awal pala ai or fe lau ki. Wala ko wala bea ia. Ali fe loa Jesus. Kile fe loa.
Ai leo Satan.
Fe loa ia Jesus. Ai fe le o wala fa kambala o sa sa. Kufa at Paulo Kumulva. It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
So sangat limalo Samoa.
Olemo.
E ole mua. Awal ki pia fuakaman nene. Leido asau liskatan. Kakuli patience.
Yara ka kukuai ya.
Better late than dead.
Wala ka fafao isep ka vale lunga.
Wala ka
lang mo telefone.
like a phone.
Ali kulia ka kulva lele iba. Sabia ba ayat au at mai. Lola lele lava o atuai. Wow lele mai fai o se atuai. Ai mai ia pe ana io mai. Sabia ba ayat au ilabi amai.
Hi guys. Me and my mom and baby are going to Savaii today. We're catching the 2 p.m. ferry to Savaii, and the rest they're coming tomorrow and Saturday morning. Saturday is when we celebrate my dad's birthday. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're going to catch the 2 p.m. ferry to Savaii, and yeah, looking forward to seeing Savaii again and also seeing my dad. Just looking forward to some island food, Samoan food. I am craving Samoan food because we haven't, we had Samoan food, but it's just not, like, I just want real Samoan food. that's what we're doing, babysitting. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the wharf. Yeah, that's the international airport. Heading to the wharf.
Lilupo ya i. May vaya pilaka ba?
Surely aloi.
Iya, nawala fa sulo ka musaki. Makilay.
Ay. Parang kaloy yun. Upo. Tar plant. Heaps of them here. Palma loyo nga. Kele niya.
Eh, yung mo mga sofa.
This is the wharf, you guys. This is where we catch the ferry. Savaii.
Iya. Mau la se lane ba makot pa ulo. Iya, saya filo ay vello. First time lah ui lepas ada. Balai kiki. Oi bakal dia lemah sengku. Malu sih. So memang sengok ku dik pakai kulimang. Sausu. Elah. Ele engakai oleh boleh. Saya muốn nó có ổ lục. Saya sai. Giờ mừng nghĩa lâu. Tiếp.
Ikaw na naman. Baik kaya lalasami.
Sai.
This is my first time on this ferry.
Isa na ba di?
Pwede ka mahalungan eh. Kay Suki.
Masang yang ngayon pa ulo kikuha. Film mo na ako.
Myra, your first time on the ferry? Huh? Myra? Myra, look. Shh. What? What are you looking at? Huh? It's too hot.
Akalan mo.
Apa kasi? Myra, come. You found a friend. Huh? You found a friend, baby.